I'm here to talk with you about networking. And because I already have one huge problem. You don't like networking. There was a study in 2017 that showed that 85% of all jobs were filled by networking. Businesses want to find someone who has great communication skills, who has a positive attitude, who works great as part of a team and has a strong work ethic, which these days means even more the ability to work from home. Change your mindset. It's not about what you want to say, it's about what they need to hear. Remember, networking is about connecting with people, showing how you can help, not desperately putting your wares out for sale, hoping somebody likes you. Make yourself stand out by asking interesting questions, thought-provoking questions, curious questions. If you've done a little bit of research about the person that you're talking to, you'll know what areas might interest them, their philanthropic efforts, their hobbies, where they grew up. There's things to ask about, to have a conversation, to help you learn together what you're both passionate about, to help you connect. Through that conversation, you will be demonstrating your positive attitude, your communication skills, the ability to work as part of a team, and hopefully your strong work ethic. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. It's not about what you want to say, it's about what they need to hear.